Hey everyone, today we are going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Crash Bars on your 2023 and newer Suzuki v-strom. Now these are going to help protect your radiator, your gas tank, your fairings, and your engine in the case of a crash. They look good and they're easy to install. Let's go ahead and get started. To get this done, we have our crash bars. We've got our hardware laid out in order. There's not very much, but it helps us stay organized throughout the process. Now, for tools, we've got 10 and 13 millimeter wrenches and sockets. We're also using some safety glasses. Now, if you need these crash bars, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. So starting out, we are on the right side of the bike. I've got my crash bar. There's 3 mounting locations. One's underneath this fender. It's kind of hard to see, but just on that head stay, there's a nut. And then we've got 2 more mounting locations down here. So we're just gonna set this in place. And up here at the top, like I said, it's hard to see, but you're gonna take the M6 bolt and thread that in to that upper mounting location. And we're leaving all the hardware loose for now. Now for the 2 lower mounting locations, you have the M8 by 20 millimeter bolts. But if you have a skid plate like ours, you're gonna have an M8 by 25 millimeter bolt for the lower mounting location. Then we'll do those same steps on the other side. Now at the front of the crash bars, this is what they call the bung portion of the crash bar. So we need to make sure they're lined up. So we're just gonna pull these together. And then with those lined up, I've got this M8 by 35 millimeter button head bolt. Just gonna slide that through the front. We've got the nylock nut on the back side. And with both in place, we'll go ahead and tighten them down. After that, we can tighten the remaining bolts. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. So that's it for installing the Tusk Crash Bars on your 2023 and newer Suzuki v-strom. Again, this is going to help protect your bike. Easy to install. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need to pick some of these up, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.